In this video, I want to show you how to use Claude Code to create SEO optimized blog articles for your website so that you can show up higher in the search results. In this case, I'm just going to be using it in the terminal. So you can see right here, I've already got an instance of Claude Code running in my terminal. And I've just told it to write a new blog article on the topic of how to make thumbnails for YouTube optimized for SEO. It should be the ideal links for search ranking and use external linking to other relevant articles. So it just called this skill superpowers brainstorming. It loaded in the skill and then it created the entire article. You can see here's all of the content. There's the URL slug, the title, the excerpt optimized for SEO, the date, the category, then all of the content for the article. It says the article is live. Here's a summary of what was written with the title, category, all of the structure, and then also each of the internal links that it included inside the article. And I can go ahead and take a look at it right here. This is the article that I just wrote using Claude Code. It's a very well written article. I'm not going to go through and read the whole thing, but you can see it even has a frequently asked questions at the bottom, which I might want to optimize a little bit so that it uses drop down menus, that sort of thing. But overall, it's already really good. And now I want to write another article. In this case, I'm using Ubersuggest, which is one of Neil Patel's tools. So as you can see here, I've already written this one, how to make thumbnails for YouTube, which, by the way, you can do inside Tube Analytics. I've got all of the tools and features inside here. So if I just go ahead and sign into my dashboard, you can see it's got everything built directly into it, including thumbnails, which is only available on the enterprise plan. I specifically built this tool for YouTubers that are growing their channels. So go ahead, check out Tube Analytics. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, I want to create another article here. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to write another article on one of these topics. So if I want to write another article, I could just basically take that exact same prompt right here, and I'm just going to say on the topic of, and I'm just going to paste that in. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And another thing that we could do is we could actually just create a specific skill for this in order to save time so that we don't have to prompt it every single time. So you can see here, it successfully loaded the skill, superpowers, which I've already installed inside Claude Code for writing skills. And now I wanted to create a specific skill for writing these blog articles to just increase efficiency. Basically just going out and updating the word count on all of these pages, which should be done soon. So if I just go ahead and come over here to my support page, ultimately this is going to help me rank in AI search and also search engines as well. And on the topic of AI search, one of the best ways to show up in ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, etc. is to create this file right here. It's called llm.txt. And this is what the AI search engines are looking for when they recommend your website in the search results. So it just basically has all of the pages. In this case, I'm listing all of the features of the platform, all that stuff. And I've also gone ahead and created an ai.txt file as well, which specifically allows these LLMs to crawl my website. So we got Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT. It's even got Brave's AI search engine in here. Grok is included, Apple Intelligence. So it's just listing out all of the pages here from the sitemap, which is another really, really important file that you're definitely going to want to make sure to have. And all of this can be done through Claude Code. So I don't have to write this entire thing from scratch. I just tell Claude Code to create this file. And I've even gone so far as to create an LLMs full.txt file, which is generated every single time someone loads the page. So this is just a Node.js file, and it's creating this file on the fly. So I've created a specific skill for writing SEO blog articles, and it's just this skill.md file. So if I come back over to VS Code here, I can come out to Claude, skills, and then this is the skill file that it is creating for me, and this is what it covers. So we've got rendering constraints, blog post format, SEO link targets to make sure that it's the right length. We've also got this EAT requirement in here as well, which is specific citations to use, how to phrase data points, and fact requirements. So, and if I want to go ahead and run this Claude Code skill, all I have to do is type in write SEO blog article. Now let's see if it can actually just pull up that Claude skill. Looks like it wasn't able to find the skill because it's not symlinked yet. But it says the skill is project local, so it's going to read it directly. So it's going to follow the skill. Should be able to find it in the .claude directory. And you can see what it looks like right here. So it's just got the name, the description, and then all of the instructions for the skill here as well. And then essentially what I want to do is just create a blog article for each one of these so that they start ranking in search. So this one right here, I can just mark as done because I've already done that one. Now keep in mind, I'm currently on the free plan. If I wanted to upgrade to the free trial, I could do that, and then it's only $12 per month, and it includes all of these additional features as well. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and upgrade to the 7-day free trial, which I'm going to do later. I've talked about a lot of different things in this video. If you have any questions, go ahead, drop them in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Signing off. Peace from Thailand.